So this is the first opening that we have, which is in CWL. CWL, they want a blue team person, security engineer, right? This is a mail ID carriers at cyberwarfare.live. They want you to join as soon as possible. So just do accordingly so that they can make you in the team. 1 to 3 years of experience is required for VAPT. So probably the freshers. This is a mail ID. Connect ID at a3stech.co.in. And this is the what they want. Bob suit. Networking skills are actually something which is concerning here. And VAPT, iOS frameworks, architectures, all those knowledge should be there. Then only you can apply, right? Next one is 2+ years of experience as a VAPT. I guess this is the same. No, Cert Lab 3, but mail ID check करना भाई, Gmail है, I can't trust. 1 to 2 years in web API and mobile pen testing. This is the mail ID on which you can send your resume and accordingly you can get selected, right? Now let's move to the next one. Next one is, and that's all. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask.